Bakit mo pinili ang Juan R. Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School?
It provides a good quality education. It provides the best teaching method.
It encourages students to show their different talents.
It has a good learning environment.
It offers extracurricular activities
Because they have welcoming community where every student is valued.
Because here, there is equality.
It enhances the talents of learners.
Because they give every student an opportunity to grow, learn, and explore.
It is known for being the best school in Gapan City.
Welcome to Juan R. Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School.
Here at Juan R. Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School, we believe in nurturing not just academic excellence, but also holistic development. With our state-of-the-art facilities and dedicated faculties, we provide a conducive environment for students to thrive and excel.
Our senior high school offers a diverse range of academic tracks, tailored to suit the unique interests and aspirations of every student. Whether you are passionate about
Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics,
Humanities and social sciences,
Accountancy, business, and management. Technical, vocational, livelihood.
we have a program that will ignite your curiosity and fuel your ambition.
Beyond academics, we also place great emphasis on character building and leadership development.
Our extracurricular activities, club, and organizations provides ample opportunities for students to enhance their talents, build long-life friendships, and make a positive impact on their community. Whether your dreams pursue higher education, enter the workforce, or start your own business, Juan R. Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School will equip you with knowledge, skills, and confidence to turn your dreams into reality.
Here at Juan R. Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School, you find not only education but empowerment.
Not just friends, but family.
and not simply teachers, but mentors who will guide you on your journey to success.
If you're ready to take a step for your future,
Transformation
leadership.
and lifelong learning.
Look no further than Juan R. Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School. Your journey starts here, but the impact of your decision will last forever.
Halika na't maging isang JRD yan. Tara na sa Juan R. Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School.